Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be doing a haul. I'm gonna keep this short. The first thing I got is this EOS strawberry sorbet EOS. It smells really good. I really like it. I got this stuff from Walmart. I also got another face mask because I'm running out of this one. I also got this hard candy setting spray. I'll be using these products in a new video. Also got this Maybelline Fit Me blush in the shade Berry. I also got two e.l.f. brushes. This e.l.f. foundation brush and this e.l.f. ultimate blending brush. I'll use the foundation also. I also bought the Maybelline Fit Me shade in 375. Again, I thought I chose a different color, but it's the same color that I already had. And then I got this e.l.f. mist and e.l.f. setting spray because I'm running low on mine. Can you see? I'm running low. I'm sorry. If you can't see, I'm sorry. So I also got another one of those, so when I run out. And I also took a trip to Ulta today, and I got this Anastasia brow pencil because it was on sale today. Brow Wiz skinny brow pencil in ebony. Can't wait to try. And I also got this Neutrogena oil-free acne wash because my other one, my clean and clear one, is about to be gone, so I got this one as a backup. I also got this Clinique Moisture Surge. I got the sample kind, the Moisture Surge. What's it called? Moisture Surge. Moisturizer, yeah. This is how it looks. It's really tiny, but it's really like classy. This cost $12. It smells like the Fenty Beauty foundation a little bit. It smells bougie, so I'm excited to try this out. I also got this kit, this Mario Badescu's kit of rose waters because I'm running low of my cucumber one. You just can see. And I decided to get all three for $21. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel down below. And bye. Sorry this is so short. It's just my iPod about to die, so I need to go. Bye.